Oh, we got that for nothing. You've just stored under the barrier.
Left lane to turn left onto Burgess Street.
Yes, we're going down here.
I'm turning left on here.
Just check. There we go, car park. We love your feedback, so don't forget to leave all your comments down below and we'll read them and reply where we can. Nice and slowly. I'll drop it down again.
Definitely.
Yeah.
This is a one job, this is.
Yeah,
we're going to fit.
Hey, of course it's going to fit. I'm not that tall. Okay.
And we need to go to this one because that one's closed.
Yes, that makes sense.
Or we just go through the coast.
Right, okay. Now you need to come up to here.
Yeah.
Okay. You need to press the button. We are now ticketless. Oh, okay, off you go.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, bye, Diva.
I guess it's number plate recognition.
Oh.
Move away from the curb. Move away from the... Ah!
I want to put my window up.
Okay, we don't... I'd worry about the curb before the window. It's the thought.
Oh. Yep. Don't like it. I don't like it.
Okay, we're going to go up and up and up. Remember, it's all clutch control. If you're going on the clutch at this speed, brake at this speed, you've got to be on the clutch, haven't you?
Yeah.
Otherwise you will still... There we go. We're going up.
Oh my god, we can get the car washed as well.
Huh?
We can get the car washed as well.
Not here, I'm not.
Is it bad here?
I don't know. I'm not paying £21.95 to have my car sparkled up.
For a gold sparkle.
I'll have a gold sparkle.
Expensive.
Right, a little bit of oomph you need here. Okay.
Okay, floor one, we've made
Floor
it.
one, that's good. We're going to go around up as far as we can go.
We're going to go to number 8.
I don't know if I'm sure if it's open or not this time of day. Clutch down.
Yeah.
Roll it round. Clutch down.
And we keep going this way.
Yeah, round we go.
Yep, I'm
Now,
going.
watch that clutch go. You maybe got to use that in conjunction with that clutch.
Okay.
That way.
Yes. Yep.
Your lights on full beam or something. Okay, round we go. Look where you're turning. Right, put the clutch down, Emily. Amelia.
Oh god. That
That's
man
it.
behind me literally hates me.
Is he? How do you know him? Don't even know his name. A bit of oomph. That's it.
Because I'm taking my sweet time.
Yes.
But I don't want to crash Richard's car.
Yeah. No, you don't want to crash my car. We go around then. There we go.
Are we practicing parking or just this?
We're going practice parking. We go up there.
Okay. Because I'm really good at just going into a space, but not practicing into a space.
Okay.
Noted.
See, it's not so difficult, is it?
No. That's not jinxing though.
Well, yes, it's good. It's a good point.
We've just jinxed it now.
Let's say that.
Okay, no, the car wash is on this floor. We've made it to the car wash. That's a positive.
Okay, we're going round. Let's go around again if it's safe to do so.
Yeah, it's all safe.
Rolling it round.
All safe. Yeah, number 3 is always the busiest.
There we go.
Oh, we're going up again.
Let's go up again. This is fun.
We've got to go back down.
Well, probably.
Oh, I forgot about that part. Oh,
Okay, here we go. This is level 4, quite high now.
we are getting high. Are you scared of heights?
Nah,
Why?
just scared of 17-year-olds trying to kill me.
Excuse me. Also, you know we've got a lesson on my birthday when I turn 18.
Have you?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. You're dropping a hint.
What? That it's going to be the best driving lesson ever.
Let's drive up again.
Oh my god, it's so empty up
Do you
here.
want a present?
Oh my god.
It is. It's a bit eerie up here, isn't it?
Really, I don't like
Looks like
that.
do some donuts up here.
Oh, don't say that. The races are up here, that's why.
Ooh,
Can you not? Can you not?
Not the sound
Can you
effects.
Not?
Not do the sound effects.
Can you not?
Ooh.
Can you not? Because it's probably no one's up here. Oh god.
Gosh. Be careful with the corner.
It's alright.
Ooh, I can't go any higher. Right then, bigger space.
Oh, wait, what?
Oh, reversing.
I'm not reversing.
Yes, you are.
Wait, do I come down here? That's a one.
No,
I can't
that's
go
why
down
I'm shooting. Let's go that way.
Yeah, I was gonna.
Well, give us a reverse bay park. Go on, go for it.
I can't. No, but Richard, I can't.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
Okay.
I'm going to tell the examiner
now,
not to give
no.
it to my space.
What are you going to do? Come across to the left a bit. Come across to the right, sorry. Come across to the right. Yeah, you're right. Alright, pull up at the bay you want to park up. We're going to pull up next to the bay you want to reverse
I want
into.
to go into...
Maybe the one without the concrete pillar. Just the thought.
Yeah, let's say that. We're going to say this one.
Okay, get yourself over a bit more. Like that one there.
Yeah.
Okay, now stop with your shoulder in line with the bay you're about to park into. Now, drive it forwards and to the right. Forwards to the right.
Forwards to the right.
Yeah. Full lock it to the left. Sorry. Full, I don't know. Full lock it. Oh my God, it's contagious. I've caught it from you. Oh my God. Left, right, itis. I've got it from. Oh my god, I've been affected. I'm contaminated. I want to go forward to the left.
You want to go to the
Yes, left. Can I?
I'm so confused.
Where's my pen?
I've got stickers in my car. Should we put them on next to this? Right, yeah. Right, we're going to the left.
Left, yeah.
Left.
Yeah, full lot.
Sure?
Yeah. We're on the 5th floor of the Highcross car park. No one around. What a great opportunity to do some parking with concrete pillars around us to get an idea of what it's like outside of an empty car park where we normally do it.
That was an experience, to say the least.
Well, just think. I mean, reversing is like going forwards. It's just a different direction.
Yeah, but
That's all there is to it.
I'm better at going forwards. I'm better at going forwards.
You steer it the way you want the car to go. Going forwards, you steer it the way the car to go going backwards. It's exactly the same. It's just your eyes are on the front of your head and on the back of your head, so it's a little bit trickier.
If you don't do the parking very well in the test, do you get a fail?
Yes. You got to pass the manoeuvre.
Oh, great.
But forget about the test. You got to be able to manoeuvre a car at low speeds to park a car in real life.
No.
Why you come on those idiots that parks over there?
Yeah.
Because you can't be. Yeah, exactly. Because I don't get anyone in any cars.
If you're doing this with a student and you see a little Fiat,
I'll park up. I'll get an Uber to the shops after I've parked up. It's ridiculous.
You see a little white Fiat that is me?
Yes. Millions of miles away from on its own.
Yeah, just by herself.
Waiting to be broken into.
There's nothing in there. Do you know what? They can take her. She's not worth anything.
She's not worth it.
She's not worth it.
She's not worth it. Yeah. Leave it.
Leave it.
She's not worth it.
There's nothing in there. And she's just...
Nothing between the doors.
No, literally, I'm not being funny. It's just a poor little thing.
Yeah.
I think they'd rather steal a Golf or something.
I think.
Yeah, not a Fiat.
Okie dokie.
Well, it's easier going down. It is. What floor are we on? I don't know. 3?
Don't know.
I don't know.
Where's the number? Is it floor 5? No, that's a speed limit. It's the same floor every time.
Oh my god. But yeah, I think we're going on to 3.
I'm feeling really thick today.
I think it's because I'm in the car with you.
It's rubbed off on you.
No, yeah, but that's what Rebecca used to say. She used to feel quite like not all right when I was in the car with her.
Queasy.
Yeah, holiday.
You need a holiday, yeah.
You need to go back to Egypt.
Yeah, I think I do.
It's alright, it's part of the fun.
If you go back to Iran, it'd be more relaxing.
Who?
Go back to Iran, it'd be more relaxing.
Who's wrong?
Iran!
Oh! I don't know.
Who's Ron? Go and see you, Ron.
I don't know who that was. Am I the most stressful student you've ever had?
No.
Is there worse?
Yeah, much worse.
Lily's up there. It's okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever had someone for like years?
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah.
How long have
7
you only
years.
seen-
But COVID and the university got in the way.
Oh, I was going to say.
She's one of these students. Holly. She's lovely.
Holly?
Yeah, she was one of these people that her birthday is like last day of August, so she's like one of the youngest of year.
Oh.
So she started really late.
And then COVID.
And then she took longer to learn to drive. And then university got in the way, and then COVID got in the way. And
She passed now?
yeah, she
Oh,
passed
that's
this year.
good.
Yeah, she came back to me
that's
after.
Good.
I've
Oh,
forgotten.
which way? Oh, any lane?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, I'm not sure if we're going to need parking. We might be able to go. Stop here. Go forward a little bit. There you go. Oh, we got that for nothing. You've just stalled under the barrier. How do you start a car? Yeah, there you go. That's a great ending. I'm glad that barrier didn't come down.
Imagine.
Oh, 2-wheel warehouse, look.
What?
There's motorbikes in there.
Oh. Quit the drive and we'll go for a tour.
Let's go for a tour of the motorbike. Sure.
Did you not know that was there? Maybe it's new.
No.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.